I so agree with Oprah Winfrey on a phrase that she has mentioned in several of her mediums. And it really resonates so much with me. And I hope it does with you. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for. Courage. It's a very important word to ask for. Hi, I'm Coach Abby. Thank you so much for joining me today at Love Advice TV. Love Advice TV is a channel that has been literally created just to assist you as you navigate any type of relationship issue. So why do some of us seem to really attract everything we want, and others are just grateful for whatever breadcrumbs the world gives to them? I really believe Oprah nailed it when she mentioned, we get what we have the courage to ask for. I mean, what is courage anyways? We all have our interpretation of it, but it's really the ability to do something even though it scares you. In order to do something that you have to believe that no matter what, even if it's scary for you, is attainable. Do you believe that you're worthy of love? Hey, life sometimes throws challenges to all of us. Makes us doubt ourselves. Maybe we don't think we're pretty enough, or smart enough, tall, successful, whatever. Maybe we're comparing ourselves to those that apparently seem to have it all. Well, this is a problem when we talk ourselves into being less than what we are. If only, we could see ourselves as others see us. I have a particular client, and she's amazing. I love her dearly, actually. We've been working together. She is a rock star in all aspects. Beautiful, polite, personable, has it all. But she self-doubts herself over and over and over. And I keep saying to her, have the courage to ask what you deserve. If you would only see yourself as I see you. And we shortchange ourselves. We start negotiating at times with our Creator. If He texts me, I'll be so happy. I promise you, I'll do this. Or if she unblocks me, I promise to be a better person or a better parent or a better this or a better that. No, we have to take the bull by the horns. We have to have the courage to do this thing called life. Stop, please, when you start doubting yourself and start asking for breadcrumbs and not reaching for all the abundance and all the wonderfulness that the world has to offer. You can never lead from behind. You need to stop shortchanging yourself. You have to change the inner dialogue. You have to repeat to yourself, I am ready. I am ready for an abundance of love, of success. I am ready for my career to blossom. I am ready to lose all the weight that I need to lose for whatever event it is. I am ready. I have the courage to accept whatever challenges comes before me because I am ready. We have to remind ourselves that we need to ask the universe with belief that they can do it for us. We need to have the courage. Even when we pray, we need to pray to God with the courage of knowing that our Almighty Creator will be able to do it for us. Not just a fluke of good luck. We have to practice feeling as if we deserve things. And once again, I don't like it to come across as deserving, condescending, narcissist. No. It's just simply, one of our inalienable rights. It's living our humanity to the maximum. Because once again, it's not just about us. It's whatever we have the courage to ask for and get, we also have the courage to share with others and change their world as well. How do we apply this to the law of attraction? Very easy. We don't necessarily just have to say, oh, please, please, please just have him text me. Please, that's all I want. No, have the courage to say, make him knock on that door and really feel that we need to patch this up. We need to get this right. And if it's not him or if it's not her, have the courage to ask the universe to bring you that person that will be able to fulfill those needs. Because at the end of the day, when we're really brutally honest with ourselves, the reason we want our exes back is because our exes make us happy. But if along the way someone comes in and fills all the requirements of that ex, we don't miss him as much. We're able to move on. And at the end of the day, it's not about that you didn't manifest what you wanted. You did manifest. You manifested the feeling that you want, to feel loved, to be in a romantic relationship, to be in a solid, wonderful, caring, loving relationship. If it doesn't match the face of our exes, who cares? Because at the end of the day, we're back to what we are wanting. And we start simply. And as I really, once again, Oprah nailed it. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for. I invite you to book a coaching session with me. It would be my pleasure to assist you in any way that I can to help you build up your courage. How do we build up our courage? Also, we need to build up our self-esteem, our self-worth. We have to believe we deserve certain things, and we do. It is not, there's absolutely no logical reason for someone else to be able to receive everything and for us just to get hand-me-downs and breadcrumbs in life. Why don't we give it some thought? Maybe they're focusing differently than we are, and we need to adjust our vision a little bit more and really have that courage to ask for things. Also, please do not hesitate to comment in the section below. Let me know your thoughts on this. Share with me your fears. Sometimes when we share our fears, we realize that we're not alone. Many of us have the same fears. But what I like to do in life is I like to find someone that's had the same fears that I have or had and shown me how to develop the courage to do what I need to do, even if I'm afraid of even the thought of doing it. And that's priceless. Coach Alex, Coach Adrian, Coach Danny, myself, we are all here available to assist you in any way we can. Please do not hesitate once again to book a session with me. It would be my pleasure to assist you in any way possible, to have you be able to develop that courage which is so necessary to be able to manifest what we deserve. Until next time, I'm Coach Abby.